రంగారెడ్డి జిల్లా రాజేంద్రనగర్ మండలం పేరంచెరువు గ్రామం యందు షాదాన్ కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీలో వివిధ రోగ నిర్ధారణకు సరికొత్త సాంకేతికతలను ఉపయోగించి వైద్య పరికరాల రూపకల్పనలో ఇటీవలి పరిణామాలు అనే అంశంపై 3 రోజుల వర్క్షాప్ను షాదాన్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ కాలేజ్ చైర్మన్ డాక్టర్ షా ఆలం రసూల్ ఖాన్ మార్గదర్శకంలో వర్క్షాప్ నిర్వహించగా కళాశాల ప్రిన్సిపల్ డాక్టర్ అతీక్ ఉర్ రెహమాన్ 3 రోజుల వర్క్షాప్ను జూన్ 20వ తేదీన ప్రారంభించారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా షాదాన్ ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ సొసైటీ చైర్మన్ డాక్టర్ ఎండి షా ఆలం రసూల్ ఖాన్ ఈ చొరవను ఆమోదించినందుకు మరియు మద్దతు ఇచ్చినందుకు ఏఐసిటిఈ అధికారులకు కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలిపారు. దీనికి ఆతిథ్యం ఇవ్వడానికి కళాశాలను ఎంపిక చేసినందుకు ఏఐసిటిఈని అభినందించారు. కళాశాల ప్రిన్సిపల్ మాట్లాడుతూ ఏఐసిటిఈ వాణి ద్వారా స్పాన్సర్ చేయబడిన ఈ వర్క్షాప్ ఉర్దూ భాషలో నిర్వహించబడిందని అన్నారు. ఇది మైనారిటీ కమ్యూనిటీలోని యువకులలో ఆవిష్కరణను పెంపొందించే లక్ష్యంతో ఉంటుందన్నారు. డాక్టర్ మహమ్మద్ ఇలియాస్ సమన్వయకర్త మరియు వర్క్షాప్ కన్వీనర్ వర్క్షాప్ ప్రాముఖ్యతను వివరించారు. ఏఐసిటిఈ తెలంగాణలో ఎంపిక చేసిన 5 కళాశాలలో షాదాన్ ఒకటని తెలిపారు.
Good afternoon. This is Dr. Atif Ur Rahman, Principal Shadan College of Engineering and Technology. To give a brief history about this college was started in the year 1995, and over a period of 29 years, we are presently having an intake of 792, offering 10 UG courses and 8 PG courses of engineering and MBA. So the college has become autonomous in the last academic year, and the college was aggregated by NAC with A+ grade, as well as this college was also aggregated by NBA for 4 branches of engineering, including civil, mechanical, CSE and IT. So under the direction and motivation of our Honorable Chairman Sahab Muhammad Shah Alam Rasool Khan Sahab, we have conducted a 3-day workshop on the theme of recent developments in design of medical devices using latest technologies to diagnose various health conditions. This workshop was approved and sponsored by All India Council for Technical Education, and the around 80 participants from various engineering colleges, industries and R&D centers have attended this event, and they were benefited enormously. Also, the speakers for this event were from different recognized institutions, including IITs, autonomous colleges and various eminent institutions. So this workshop basically discusses the integration of latest technologies in medical field, which gives us a scope in which how best and effectively we can address the needs of medical diseases as well as the latest requirements of medical industry by using the engineering technology. So this was sponsored by AICT, and this workshop was very much successful, and it was coordinated by Dr. Muhammad Ilyas as well as his team, including Dr. Amirullah Khan Lodhi and his team members. So we wish to conduct many more such events in future also, and thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum and good evening to one and all. I am Dr. Ilyas, coordinator of 3 days AICTE workshop sponsored by AICTE. We have conducted the workshop on recent development in design of medical devices using latest technologies to diagnose various health conditions. It was conducted in Urdu language, so I would like to speak in Urdu to explain much about this workshop. सबसे पहले मैं शुक्र अदा करता हूँ चेयरमैन साहब डॉक्टर शाह आलम रसूल साहब का, उन्होंने अपॉर्चुनिटी दी हमको कंडक्ट करने के लिए, और हमारे प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर अतीक उर रहमान साहब, डायरेक्टर्स मुनीम साहब, श्रीनिवास साहब, उनके कोऑर्डिनेशन के तरफ से हम ECE डिपार्टमेंट ये सक्सेसफुल अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ऑर्गेनाइज कर सके। तो तकरीबन 80 पार्टिसिपेंट फ्रॉम अलग अलग कॉलेज से आए हैं, हैदराबाद से एंड थोड़े आउट ऑफ सेशन से। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह 3 दिन के बाद हम उनका फीडबैक भी लिए वर्कशॉप के बारे में। सब लोग बहुत बहुत खुश थे वर्कशॉप से और हॉस्पिटलिटी ऑफ द कॉलेज से एंड जो नॉलेज वगैरह सीखे एंड अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हम उन लोगों को 3 days लंच भी प्रोवाइड करे, स्नैक भी दिए एंड मटेरियल नोट्स वगैरह जो भी है रिलेटेड टू कंज्यूमेबल अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। सो मैं AICTE का बहुत शुक्र अदा करता हूँ, उन लोगों ने जो अपॉर्चुनिटी दी है कंडक्ट करने के लिए। उन्होंने तेलंगाना में ओवरऑल तेलंगाना में सिर्फ 5 कॉलेज को सेलेक्ट किए हैं, उसमें अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह शादान कॉलेज एक कॉलेज है। और मैं AICTE से गुजारिश भी करूँगा कि आगे कुछ ऐसे अपॉर्चुनिटी हम और सक्सेसफुल करेंगे इंशाल्लाह। थैंक यू फॉर मैनेजमेंट, प्रिंसिपल, डायरेक्टर्स एंड आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक ऑल माई EC staff and students who encouraged us, who supported us during the completion of successful workshop. Thank you.
Good evening. Actually, I'm the coordinator of the program and co-coordinator of the program, and I'm very thankful to AICTE for giving this opportunity to our institution, and we are very thankful to our chairman, beloved chairman, and beloved principal Sir Atiqur Rahman sir, our directors, for giving this opportunity to handle all the things. Because the funding is it is getting after 15 days or 1 month, what it may be, but all the things provided by principals or management. So we are very thankful for smoothly conducting all these things, and our team members also helped very much. And we are very much thankful to the counseling committee of AICTE. Under Vani scheme, we got this opportunity to conduct this FDP. And in the feedback, we got different types of positive responses from other college faculties who came from other institution from Hyderabad and out of the city also. And the speakers also very much impressed by the audience to whom we select through the forms. Actually, the condition is minimum 50 participants should be there for the workshop, but we got more than 100 participants applications, and we got select near about 80 plus applicants from through the selection committee for the workshop, and all has given a very good feedback. And inshallah in future also we'll conduct this type of FDPs if we got the opportunity from UGC and AICTE. So we are very much thankful to Almighty Allah and all the members who coordinated with us. Thank you very much.